a spider web. We need plate, on construction paper, another construction paper, scissors, hole punch. I cut a hole in the center of the plate. Take a help from a grown-up, okay? Hole around the plate. I'm spinning the web. Now I'm gonna go big form. Oh, I'm gonna go this one. I'll take from here. Yeah. Well, that is not. Gonna use a needle and a yarn. Now I'm doing the spider. Look at here. This way, this way, this way, and this way, then wait. Good. This. And then this way, then. Wait, gotta go more. Go. This way, then this way, then this way, then this way. There's not more. No more. There's more being bigger and being big. Now I'm cutting the legs. That's in blue. Both them. The more this way. Oh, right. This. More bigger scissors to make. Let's go this way. Oops. Nothing, man. I'll stick the legs now. Come on. Do it. Now I'm going to take another one and glue it up. We don't want to be late. Good. Good. Now for the next. That's fine. Let's make some more. Good. Now it made. Oopsie. Let me do it. Now I made the spider. Now I made this stick the spider legs. The spider had 8 legs. I put 8 legs. Got glue in the center. Now put here. Now it's finished. The spiders in the big web. Gang, 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 gang. You tried for your flower. Happy Halloween! Bye! And hope you like it. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. And